Welcome back to Tech Vibes. If you're seeing PS5 error CE-10005-6, your disc isn't reading. Don't panic, it's likely just dirty. Here is the proven fix. Eject your disc and inspect it under a bright light for any dust or fingerprints. Grab a clean microfiber cloth, wipe gently from the center straight to the outer edge. Never wipe in circles. Pop it back in and it should work perfectly. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Now this step is very important and often overlooked. Make sure you are inserting the disc in the correct orientation. If your PlayStation 5 is placed vertically, the label side of the disc should face the left side. If your PlayStation 5 is placed horizontally, the label side of the disc should face upward. Many users insert the disc upside down without realizing it. Insert the disc slowly and let the console pull it in automatically. If the error still appears, move to the next solution. Now we will perform a proper power cycle, which clears temporary system glitches. This step has fixed the issue for a large number of users. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Do not use rest mode. Once the console is fully off, unplug the power cable from the back. Also, unplug the HDMI cable and the internet cable if connected. Wait for at least 5 full minutes. This allows internal cache and residual power to discharge completely. After 5 minutes, plug everything back properly, turn on the console and insert the disc again. If the disc still does not read, do not worry. We have more solutions. Now we will check for system software updates. Outdated firmware can cause disc compatibility issues. Turn on your PlayStation 5 without inserting any disc. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then go to System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. If an update is available, download and install it. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, try connecting to a 2.4 GHz network instead of 5 GHz for better stability. After the update is complete, restart your console and try the disc again. Now we will rebuild the database. This is one of the most powerful fixes recommended by PlayStation technicians. This process does not delete your games or save data. It only reorganizes system files. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Release the button only after you hear the second beep. This will take about 7 seconds. Connect your controller using a USB cable. Press the PlayStation button on the controller. Now you will see the Safe Mode menu. Select Rebuild Database. Confirm and wait patiently. This process may take several minutes depending on your storage size. Once completed, the console will restart automatically. Insert the disc and check if the error is gone. If you are still facing the issue, we move to another verified solution. Now, we will disable rest mode features temporarily. Some users reported that aggressive power saving settings caused disc read errors after waking from rest mode. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power Saving. Then go to Set Time until PlayStation 5 enters rest mode. Set both during media playback and during games to do not put in rest mode. Next, go back to Power Saving. Select features available in rest mode. Turn off all options temporarily. Restart your console and test the disc again. If the error continues, let us check the disc drive behavior. Insert a different game disc or a Blu-ray movie disc. If other discs work fine, the issue is most likely with that specific disc. If no discs work at all, then it is still likely a software or firmware issue, not hardware. Now we will try a system cache clear using Safe Mode. This method is highly recommended by experienced PlayStation users. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely. Enter Safe Mode again by holding the power button until the second beep. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. First, select Clear System Software Cache. Confirm and wait. The console will restart. After restart, test the disc again. If the error still appears, we move to the next step. Now we will check system storage behavior. Low storage or corrupted data can interfere with disk reading. Go to Settings, then go to Storage. Check if your console storage is almost full. If storage is above 90%, delete some unused games or apps. After freeing up space, restart the console and test the disc. Next, make sure you are not using external accessories that may cause interference. Disconnect external hard drives temporarily. Disconnect USB hubs. Use only the original PlayStation power cable and HDMI cable during testing. Now, one important environmental factor. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is placed in a well-ventilated area. Overheating can affect disk drive performance. Do not place the console inside a closed cabinet. Make sure air vents are clean and unobstructed. At this point, for most users, the error should already be fixed. However, there is one last software solution we can try. This is a system software reinstall using USB. This is only recommended if nothing else worked. This process may remove some system settings, but it is very effective. To this kit, download the latest PlayStation 5 system software from the official PlayStation website using a computer. Format a USB drive to FAT32. Create a folder named PS5. Inside it, create another folder named Update. Place the update file inside the Update folder. Insert the USB drive into the PlayStation 5. Enter Safe Mode. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device. Follow on-screen instructions. Once completed, restart and test the disk. If after all these steps, the disk still does not read, then there is a possibility of a hardware issue with the disk drive. In that case, contacting PlayStation support or an authorized service center is the correct option. But based on real-world data and user reports, more than 80% of users fix this error using the steps shown in this video. So make sure you follow everything carefully. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like this video. Share it with your friends who are facing the same problem. And subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real, practical, and honest tech solutions. Remember, if you face any difficulty, drop a comment below. I respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.